Have you ever pondered the cosmic ballet that occurs when galaxies collide? It's a dance of such grand proportions that it defies human comprehension. Now imagine two galaxies, each a swirling, glittering mass of stars, gas, and dust, hurtling towards each other in the vast expanse of the universe. Yes, that's where our story begins. In the cosmic arena, galaxies aren't solitary figures. They form clusters, gravitating towards each other, bound by the invisible but potent strings of gravity. Sometimes, these gravitational tugs of war can lead to an intriguing spectacle, a galactic collision. Galactic collisions, or mergers as some prefer to call them, aren't quite like car crashes on Earth. There's no screeching of brakes, no shattering glass, and certainly no traffic cops. In fact, it's more like a slow-motion waltz, taking place over hundreds of millions of years. Consider two galaxies, Galaxy A and Galaxy B, spiraling towards each other in the cosmic abyss. As they near each other, their gravitational forces start to interact, distorting their shapes and flinging stars and gas into vast tidal tails. This phase, known as the approach phase, is just the prelude to an even more dramatic event. As the galaxies continue their cosmic dance, they eventually merge, forming what's known as a remnant. This remnant is a hodgepodge of stars, gas, and dust from both galaxies. The process of merging can trigger a burst of star formation, lighting up the remnant with brilliant new stars. However, it's not all glitter and glam in the universe. Galactic collisions can also lead to the formation of active galactic nuclei, where supermassive black holes at the centers of the galaxies can consume vast amounts of matter, producing high-energy radiation. So to sum up, galactic collisions are not just cataclysmic events, but also creators of new celestial bodies. They start with the approach phase, where galaxies move towards each other due to gravitational forces. This phase is followed by the actual collision, where galaxies merge, forming a remnant and triggering a burst of star formation. The process can also lead to the formation of active galactic nuclei, where supermassive black holes consume matter and produce radiation. Galactic collisions are a testament to the dynamic nature of our universe. They remind us that even in the vast, seemingly unchanging cosmos, there's a constant cycle of creation and destruction. A dance of galaxies that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the cosmic ballet that's happening out there in the vast expanse of the universe. It truly is a spectacle beyond compare.